What? I see
a bull birdie pushing down.
Do you think that's what happened?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, the poor thing, Luke. Oh. What are we going to do?
Mom?
Yeah?
Remember yesterday we saw a dead birdie when I was with my daddy? When yesterday he was gone.
Was he?
Yeah.
But you know what? When I told you about yesterday, when is Luke? Yesterday is 1 day ago, okay? Remember I told you that? Everything in the past isn't yesterday. Remember? We're getting mixed up.
Yeah, yesterday.
No, yesterday you were at a party, remember? Do you need to go to the toilet? You're doing a funny walk. Oh, don't touch him now.
Why?
Because, Luke, come on, so will we go?
Yeah.
What will we say? Will we say a prayer for the birdie?
Ah, damn it, you don't say pray for birdie.
Only people?
Yeah.
Aye. Poor thing, he's right.
And his eyes are gone.
His eyes are gone?
Yeah.
No, they're closed. He's got his eyes closed. Okay?
I said someone shooted him.
Oh, is that what you think?
Yeah.
You think someone shooted him? And what did they shoot him with, Luke?
His cannonball over there.
The cannonball! Genie Mac.
Remember it was Kingdom yesterday?
It was a kingdom yesterday, was it?
I mean, that was years and years ago.
Well, yeah, it was years and years ago.
And then everyone got dead.
Everyone got what?
And then everyone got dead.
Everyone got dead.
And then everyone got there, and old King John was still there.
Was he?
And someone shot him.
And someone shooted him? Who told you that?
And then years and years it turned into a town.
It turned into a town?
Yeah.
Alright, we go to the car, so? Go to the park? Okay.